Ashley Mia back with another video, and today I'm about to show you how I transform my apartment into a home studio. I have a portrait session today and I'm like, let me just do it here. So I'm gonna take y'all along with how I set up, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so the light that I'm using today is a continuous light, and it has these different switches where it can be a cool light or a warm light. And I'm really grateful for that because it gives a different feel with each light. And so with this one, with the black cloth background, I'm going to use the warm tinted light so that it can, you know, accentuate her skin tone and make it more warm because the black is super dominant already. And then I'm going to make sure that it's pivoted up away from her face, kind of like mimicking the sun a little bit. And we're gonna get to it. Okay guys, so I have a book stand that I'm using to use like as a posing table. I have this nice blue muslin cloth and then a baby blue paper roll that we're going to use. I'm using this as a field light and then natural light for the main light. But yeah, I'm excited, going to get to it, and I'm going to show y'all. Alright guys, so we are done. We wrapped it up. Sierra killed it. I'm just so grateful that I'm able to make these setups in the comfort of my own home and get some really good images. I'm really proud of that. But thank you again so much for watching. If you are looking at this, I want you to stay to the end to see the results of this beautiful photo shoot that we did. And then if you're on Instagram, make sure you follow me there because I posted over there. All of my updated work is on Instagram. But like I always say, like, comment, and subscribe so I can continue to bring you more content just like this. And so if you're watching this during the week, have a good week. And if you're watching this during the weekend, have a good weekend, and I will see y'all soon.